Famous Crashes, Part 1 by Zachary Levon and Martin. Japan Airlines Flight 123, Boeing 747 SR, August 12, 1985, 520 deaths, 509 passengers, 15 crew, 4 survivors, Tokyo Haneda to Osaka Itami, crash due to separation of vertical stabilizer. Crash site Mount Kamagahara. Flight Dubai Flight 981, Boeing 737-800, March 19, 2016, 62 deaths, 55 passengers, 7 crew, 0 survivors, Dubai to Rostov-on-Don, stalled and crashed during final approach, crash site. End of runway 22 at Rostov-on-Don Airport. American Airlines Flight 587, A300B4 600, November 12, 2001, 260 deaths, 259 passengers, 9 crew, 0 survivors, in New York City to Santo Domingo, crash due to separation of vertical stabilizer, crash site Bell Harbor, Queens, New York City. Asiana Airlines Flight 214, Boeing 777-200ER, July 6, 2014, 3 deaths, 291 passengers, 9 crew, 304 survivors. Seoul to San Francisco, controlled flight into terrain during final approach, crash site San Francisco International Airport. Emirates Flight 521, Boeing 777-300, August 3, 2016, one on the ground was killed, 282 passengers, 18 crew, crashed during go-around due to pilot error, Trivandrum Airport to Dubai. Crash site, Dubai International Airport. American Airlines Flight 11, Boeing 767-200ER, September 11, 2001, 92 deaths, 81 passengers, 11 crew, 0 survivors, Boston to Los Angeles, hijacked and crashed into the North Tower of the WTC and New York City. Crash site North Tower of WTC in NYC. United Airlines 5175, Boeing 767-200, September 11, 2001, 65 deaths, 56 passengers, 9 crew, 0 survivors, Boston to Los Angeles, hijacked and crashed into the South Tower of the WTC in New York City. Crash site, South Tower of the WTC in NYC. American Airlines Flight 77, Boeing 757-200, September 11, 2001, 64 deaths, 58 passengers, 6 crew, 0 survivors, Washington, D.C. to Los Angeles, hijacked and crashed into the Pentagon, crash site the Pentagon. United Airlines Flight 83, Boeing 757-200, September 11, 2001, 44 deaths, 37 passengers, 7 crew, 0 survivors, Newark to San Francisco, hijacked and crashed into a field near Stone Creek Township. Crash site, a field near Stone Creek Township. That's all for today, June 15, 2024.